Hello kids, in this video we will learn the hill station of India. Shimla is located in Himachal Pradesh and the famous places to visit in Shimla are the Ridge of Shimla, Kiala Forest, Shimla State Museum, Chakku Hill. Ooty is located in Tamil Nadu and the famous places to visit in Ooty are Avalanche Lake, Ooty Botanical Garden, Kullu Manali is located in Himachal Pradesh and the famous places to visit in Kullu Manali are Rohtang Pass, Baseshwar Mahadev Temple, Nehru Kund, Vasishtha Hot Water Spring, Darjeeling is located in West Bengal and the famous places to visit in Darjeeling are Kanchenjunga Mountain, Tiger Hill, Mussoorie is located in Uttarakhand and the famous places to visit in Mussoorie are Kempty Falls, Gun Hill, Mount Abu is located in Rajasthan and the famous places to visit in Mount Abu are Dilwara Temple, Guru Shikhar, Srinagar is located in Jammu and Kashmir and the famous places to visit in Srinagar are Dal Lake, Tulip Garden, Pari Mahal, Dalhousie is located in Himachal Pradesh, and the famous places to visit in Dalhousie are Khajjar, Satdhara Falls, then Kund Peak, Nainital is located in Uttarakhand, and the famous places to visit in Nainital are Naini Lake, Tiffin Top, Mahabaleshwar is located in Maharashtra, and the famous places to visit in Mahabaleshwar are Mahabaleshwar Temple, Panchgani, Khandala is located in Maharashtra, and the famous places to visit in Khandala are Tiger's Leap, Vaja Cave, Gangtok is located in Sikkim, and one of the famous places to visit in Gangtok is Seven Sisters Waterfall, Munnar is located in Kerala, and one of the famous places to visit in Munnar is Rose Garden. Shillong is located in Meghalaya, and one of the famous places to visit in Shillong is Elephant Falls. Kodaikanal is located in Tamil Nadu, and one of the famous places to visit in Kodaikanal is Kodaikanal Lake.